Jeffree Star Cosmetics takes great care in everything that they do, and you'll see this if you ever watch the YouTube series that he does with Shane, but everything is sort of in particular. Extra little like delight that goes a long way with me. Let's go ahead and literally open this together. If you've ever bought from Jeffree Star before, you'll know that the packaging is usually amazing. I originally purchased something from him when he did a collab with Shane Dawson, which was a few years ago now. All right, let's see what we got here. Ooh, this is so cute. It's always usually super cute. Oh yes, he started a pet collection. I found out about that right as my little baby was getting ready to leave me, so I'd never bought anything, but I'm sure eventually I'll have another pet and I'll be able to share Jeffree Star with my pet. I bought something that was on sale, an eyeliner. Unicorn Blood is the name of it. Super cute. I don't think I'm gonna put this on today, but super excited about this. The next thing I got was from the Star Wedding collection. I just thought it was a beautiful palette, and I have I think I have 3 of his palettes. So I have the Thirsty palette and a few other ones, and they are really high quality. If you've ever used his makeup, you know. And I just loved this. I loved the look of it. I loved what was in it, and I thought, why not just get it for myself? So let's dig right in. This one is marked with a little sticker, as well as you can see the little diamonds as well. You can see here, absolutely gorgeous packaging with the lace. This is this packaging, and then the little diamond at the end. Absolutely gorgeous. It's so beautiful. The names of things I love. It's imprinted with his logo, and I don't know, there's just such extra care that's put into everything that it definitely makes it worth it. And last thing that's in my package, Star Ranch mirror. I already had the Star mirror. I really wanted to support Jeffree's Ranch, which is why I bought this yak mirror. I almost bought a yak plushie, but I decided maybe I'm too old for that. And if I ever get another dog, I will get some plushies. All right, here is the yak mirror. It's so cute. I got it in pink. It's in the shape of perfection, basically, but I am very excited about this. In this perfectly cut foam to make sure it stays safe and that it doesn't break in shipping. So again, the thoughtfulness in all of these things, in all of his products and his businesses, is pretty amazing, and something I will continue to support as long as he stays this amazing. So that is all for today. Just wanted to do that unboxing. I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye everyone.